Everything local first. Your data stays home. Your home keeps working. Matter Bridge makes your devices speak one local language. Add Zigbee or Z-Wave when you need it. Open, modular, and ready. Local at home, remote when you need it. Free P2P access through the LinknLink app. From your car to your home, everything stays connected. Or talk to your home from Telegram, WhatsApp, or WeChat. Scan, add, and ask. No flashing images, no SD card failures, no weekend loss to setup. And for makers, it is still a real Linux server with Docker and Depot customization. Backups, OTA updates, rollback, and recovery are built for everyday reliability. HomeClaw ships with AI skills for automation, energy, security, elderly care, and health. Energy skills can balance solar, storage, EV charging, and home loads. Elderly care can notice routines and gently keep family informed. Use our Minimax 2.7 plan for just $1.99 a month, or bring your own model key. A home that learns you, serves you, and still belongs to you. Back HomeClaw on LinknLink.